Well, another week has come and gone, and the guys have got another work day in on their car. There's really not much to show. They've just been taking things apart. Doesn't make for good video, right? Pulling the heater box out, unbolting this, unbolting that.
We're just cleaning things up.
Right.
Getting a template.
So, but rather than talk about what's going on with the car, let's talk about what's going on around the car.
Yeah.
All right. So, first things first, have you guys actually solidified a plan for this thing?
Yeah. We know what we're doing with it.
You know exactly what you're going to do?
Yeah.
Okay. So, let's tell everybody then.
So the basics that we're going to do is a 360 Magnum, a 4-speed. We are doing nitrous. We're going to keep it on a carburetor. Those are the basics that we know we're hammered out for sure.
Now, why a 4-speed, not a 5-speed? Because 4-speeds are expensive and bulky.
Because that was a compromise me and him made. I was saying torque flight, and
I said a manual gearbox, so
yeah.
I said either a 4 or 5.
So we came to the compromise that we keep it, that I would say, get the Magnum small block, because he wanted a big block, but I wanted the automatic, he wanted the stick shift. So we made a compromise. It's a small block with a stick shift.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, fair enough.
Yeah.
You're not going for bracket racing, right? You're going for maximum.
Just as much as we can get out of it.
Okay. Do you have a 4-speed lined up for it?
833.
You have one? You have one?
Oh, no, we don't have one.
We don't have one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, still got to find that.
All right. That's going to be a $600 chunk of.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So, but that's what you guys have decided on.
Yeah.
All right. Now, what's this list we have over here?
So, what we, when Garrett put his info out there for people to contact about donations, your phone.
My phone literally blew up.
We have a lot of really generous people.
Yeah, and it's a great thing. It's just I can only get to so many people around my work schedule and stuff like that. So my buddy John back here actually made a website for everybody to go to and go on there and donate and all that other stuff.
So you guys have an actual official website for this car?
Yeah. John put it all together. That's why we brought him in, because he's a tech guy, he's an electrical guy. He does all the stuff we don't know how to do.
Okay. And he's got that 1,000-yard stare, which is important. You know what I mean? Yeah. So tell them what the website is.
Basically, I just made a quick splash page. So it's just got, how do you reach us, link to everything that's going to be on our needs and wants list. I'm going to have that all filtered, so it's like the stuff that we absolutely need, stuff that would be good to have, how to contact us. Basically, it's just got a thing where you can give us your name, what you've got, how to reach you, and it'll come to all of us. So any one of us may respond. You'll get a response, pretty quick as far as that stuff goes.
And then the URL, I could pull it up on my phone.
Yeah.
All right.
It's a subdomain.
Well, we'll put a link to that.
Yeah.
We'll put a link to that.
Yeah.
So, what do you have lined up so far? I know you get us a box of stuff that you brought in.
Yeah, that was stuff that was donated. Thanks, Josh, but it's LA stuff. We decided to stick with the Magnum, but the LA stuff is going to be really helpful for you.
Yeah, it could help the Charger in a long way.
Because he's got an LA, so he's
either way,
still going to use it.
It's going to a good home.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we got a cam. I mean, the next day, we got a cam gauge. We got all the gauges. The gauges are going in here. Valve covers, new inbox pistons, all from Josh. So we appreciate everybody wanting to help out on this thing.
All right. So now the motor, you've got a motor lined up?
You were talking to...
There's a guy named either Derek Reese or Reese Derek. He contacted me and said that he used to work at a shop or still does work at a shop. He's like, hey man, I watch you guys all the time. A friend of mine that passed away not too long ago watched Uncle Tony. I'm going to go to the Junkyard and I'm going to get you guys a Magnum 360 and go through it and make sure it's rock solid. And I'm going to personally hand deliver it to you guys this upcoming weekend.
Yeah.
This weekend coming up.
This weekend coming up.
It was in the live show. Somebody was saying, hey, Derek's bringing an engine this weekend.
Now there was somebody else on the live show that said that they were pulling a motor. That's the same guy?
We don't know if it's the exact, because I told him, it was like, was it Derek Penley? Because I knew he talked to this guy named Reese Derek, but he's the only talk person.
Yeah, that's the only guy that I know of, and he talked about coming down, so I guess it's the same guy.
Either way, we got multiple people wanting to give us engines.
So,
and a nitrous kit, there's a guy in California.
All right, but we don't want to be piling up motors and taking advantage of people's goodwill.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So
as soon as we get something that we need donated, that's it. We won't.
It's gonna go off.
That's why if you contact us, we can tell you what we don't have.
Now, in the event that people do send stuff that you're not going to use, what are you going end up doing with that stuff?
Well, well, we would talk to people about what is going to be sent, whether we could use it or not beforehand.
Okay.
So hopefully we would only be taking what we would need.
But on the website is going to be listed all of the things that you specifically need.
Yeah.
Yes.
Correct? Okay. So that's it. If you're interested in helping these guys out, go to that website. We'll have the link to it in the description. And they'll have their list. And as things get taken care of, you'll scratch it off the list and we'll go from there.
Yep.
So right now, as it stands, what are you doing for a rear end? Because now you're going to need a serious rear end.
Either 8 1/4 or 8 3/4.
I can tell you from experience
8
that the 8 1/4 is not going to hold up under a good small block and a stick.
Yeah. So likely 8 3/4.
8 3/4.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's something that's going to be on your list, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I guess that's it for now. You guys want to throw anything else in there?
I think that pretty much covered it. Do you have anything?
I just want to tell everybody thank you. It's been mind-blowing how many good people are out there, comments, and people are just willing to help us guys on Uncle Tony's channel to get this hunk of junk, the Junkyard Jet, rolling. It's mind-blowing, honestly. I want to thank everybody for that.
There's a lot of people that want to see you guys do good with this. There's, they're like, and there's a lot of people who are living vicariously through you. They can't really afford at this point to do their own car, so they're willing to help out to do whatever it is to help you guys get going.
And also, we're willing to buy parts too. So not just donations. You want to sell us something, we're willing to pay for it too.
Absolutely.
We appreciate everybody. We didn't expect to get this much help with it.
All right, so what's our time frame on this? What do we...
Next week it's going to be, we're getting the engine out. The engine and trans is coming out for sure. We'll start sanding the rust, figuring out where the holes need to be patched. After that's done, we're going to shoot at paint.
You're going to paint?
Yeah.
Okay. The whole car?
Yeah.
Okay.
He has a history in auto body. He actually went to school for it. So.
Yeah.
Oh, a professional body guy.
Whoa.
I got to talk to you about some stuff I got hanging
We are,
around.
I
we are
can give it a
professional
shot.
nothing.
Jack of all trades, master of none.
All right, so guys, there's the update on the Junkyard Jet and all the information you need if you want to help them out. And I think we're off to a good start.
Yeah.
What do you think we'll actually see this thing running by, let's say, the end of the year?
End of the year. If we if we get everything that we need and we're able to compile this all together, end of the year is easy.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Awesome. You're the quiet one, right?
Yeah.
They just, yeah. The brains of the operation.
He is.
Absolutely.
He's a genius.
All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.